Hey guys, so for this next one that's in my main script, it's a hot string I have that pulls up this task dialog GUI. So let me get the hot string out here. So this is a function. I'll give you the link. It's on the forum, and it just makes prettier like message boxes. So, and I have a template here. So if I kick this off, run it, hit my hotkey. So here, you can fill in text here. You can put text up here, obviously. And the color, you can change colors. Like I have blue. I think there's blue, red, yellow, green, if I remember correctly. You can also, decide which buttons you want to have on it, but put in some, other text. And let's see. Oh, that's right. This, I gotta fix that. That's actually, it's weird, but it's in seconds. So 4, we'll leave it up for 4 seconds and then it kills it. So there it goes. So if we change this to red, now what's interesting, you know what, let me just hit my hotkey again. So I'm gonna do a screenshot of this. So notice this icon here. So let's change this, where was that? Here we go, to red, rerun it. Now, see, it changes the red, which I think this is an intent. Some of these are, oops, darn it. And, but see this icon? The colors, unfortunately, you can't pick and choose the icon with the color. It's default built-in value. So there's yellow, and like I said, I think green are the 4. I'm going from memory. I haven't played with it in a while. But it's just nice to have an alternative, right? If you want to have some different information, and we can just, let's just say we wanted yes and no. So there's just yes, no, right? And then you would just edit the other settings. So it's really easy. It's handy. There's not this. You can control the width and height. I think is, yeah, that's the width. Oh, maybe it's just the width. Interesting. So so if I did have some longer text, I could control the width of it. But apparently there's no height, which is weird. Or I don't know. Let's jump into, remember in Studio, Alt F1 on the thing. And here they did a pretty good job of walking through. So apparently maybe you can have your own icon, but you can't change it with the colors, if I remember right. Yeah, width, parent, the timeout, return, so that returns on what it's returning, the value that you clicked. So anyway, it's a fun one in case you want to have a little bit prettier of a message box. I just have a hot string to pull it up. Cheers.